Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are at the end of the street at a cul-de-sac doing some yoga today. And this practice is called Yoga for Grief. And that's what this month is all about, is yoga for grief. And I have lost somebody and it's been a year now. And this person had cancer. They were fighting it for 7 years, and that was longer than to be expected. So that was a good thing. And it's been hard off and on. I've been sad. And yoga's really helped me to heal and remember this person in a nice way. And I hope yoga can do the same thing for you. And I do believe that you can feel one way on the mat, and then when you're done, you can feel restored in a different way. And I hope that that can be the same for you. All right, let's roll out our mat and let's get started. So we're gonna start an easy pose. So you can have your ankles crossed if you like. And then what I want you to do is take your middle finger and have it touch your thumb. So your fingers are like this. And then if you like, close your eyes or keep them open. Just listen to my voice as I guide you. And I want you to have a tall back as much as possible. I understand I slouch too. So close your eyes. There's no judgment. And listen to my voice. And I want you to breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now I want you to think about the person that you're grieving about, whoever this person is, and think about what you wish you can tell them. Whatever that might be, good or bad, whatever comes to your mind. And breathe in and out. Now, next I want you to think about where you would take this person, wherever that might be. To the park, to the movies, to get coffee, wherever you want to take them that you miss. And think about that. And then breathe in and out. Now I want you to think of a happy time you've had with this person. Whatever that first happy thought is. For me, that would be going to get ice cream with this person. And just think about that. And how did that make you feel then? Now, next, I want you to open up your eyes. And I want you to get into extended child's pose. So you're gonna reach your arm as long as the yoga mat, as long as you can. And if you don't know how to child's pose and you want a full tutorial on that, we will put the link right here. It'll pop up shortly. All right, and if you want, you can get a pillow and put it right underneath your head if you like. If you don't want to, it's fine. And then I want you to breathe in and out. And then after the third breath, take the biggest breath you took in all day. And let it out. Breathe in. Now this pose really helps with calming down the mind as well. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, whenever you're ready, you can pause the video if you like. You can get out of this and get into tabletop, and then we're going to get into cat-cow. So have your knees as wide as the yoga mat. And then when you breathe out, I want you to lift up your head and then drop the belly. So breathe in and out. 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 Now next, we're going to get into downward facing dog. So when our next out breath, we are going to push our toes up and push our legs. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And then when you're ready, lift up and make a V shape with your body. It's similar to plank pose, but you're not such a V. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And then whenever you're ready, you can get back in the tabletop. Breathe out. Next, whenever you're ready, we're going to get back into easy pose. And then we're going to go to our next set, which is corpse pose. So lay down now. And when you lay down, I want you to picture yourself sinking into the mat and then into the earth, and just relax. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Picture yourself sinking into your mat. The sun is on your face. Smile. Breathe in. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Whenever you're ready, you can sit up, or you could continue to listen to the birds chirping. Whatever you decide. All right, I'm going to slowly come up. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, share with someone who may need this video, and subscribe today. Be sure to check us out next week when we have another Yoga for Grief video, and then check out and listen for the next month's theming announcement. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.